8 bad workplace habits that can hold you back at work. Being talented isn't enough for success at work. Your habits and how you interact with others matter just as much, if not more. Here are 8 common behaviors that make it harder to succeed in an office environment and what these habits look like in practice. 1. Low emotional intelligence. People with low emotional intelligence struggle to understand and manage their own feelings or read others' emotions. This makes communication difficult and harms trust. At work, this can lead to misunderstandings, poor cooperation, and weakened relationships with colleagues. 2. Trying to control everything. Wanting to control every detail might make you feel secure, but it can slow decision-making and frustrate coworkers. Letting go of tiny controls and being open to input builds trust and helps the whole team move faster. 3. Constant complaining. If most of your conversations are about what's wrong, coffee machine, workload, teammates, people begin to tune out. Negative complaining drains energy, lowers team morale, and makes you a less pleasant person to work with. 4. Closed-minded thinking. Success at work often depends on collaboration and adaptability. Being rigid or dismissing new ideas stops you from learning and growing. Approaching feedback with curiosity, even when it's uncomfortable, can broaden your perspective and help you improve. 5. Doing the same thing and expecting different results. Repeating the same actions but hoping for a different outcome is a recipe for stagnation. To grow professionally, you must be willing to change strategies, learn from what didn't work, and try new approaches instead of repeating cycles. 6. Lack of self-confidence. Not believing in your abilities can cause you to hesitate, second-guess, or avoid opportunities. Confidence at work doesn't mean arrogance. It means trusting your skills and decisions while continuing to improve. 7. Procrastination. Putting off tasks until tomorrow creates stress, unmet deadlines, and growing to-do lists. Successful people tackle what needs to be done now instead of waiting for the perfect time, because waiting often just becomes an excuse. 8. Expecting others to save you. Waiting for someone to fix your problems or to help you succeed isn't realistic. Real success comes from taking responsibility and being proactive, solving your own challenges rather than depending on others to do it for you. Tip for success. The habits above aren't huge flaws. Many people struggle with them. The difference is awareness and effort to change. Improving your self-awareness, communication, and initiative can dramatically boost your career growth.